That is my first lesson for you during the first scheme. It will not be repeated. Okay. When you go for the second scheme, it will not be told to you because it has already been told during the first scheme itself. Even before the cumulative examinations, I have told you. Okay. So always remember to write the question number in the margin. Remember to write the question number in the margin. Okay, you have got the main question number. Okay, for example, you have got question number 1. That is the main question number. Okay. Then you also have got to write sub question number and option question number. Sub question number and option question number. Okay, I think I have already told you, and I checked this also in the toppers papers. Okay, published in the websites. I shall present to you any of the toppers paper little later. I checked it in the toppers papers and I would like you to follow this. Okay. For example, you have got 41 mark question. So you put the question number as given in the question paper. Okay, the question in the question paper, the question number is given in the Roman letters. Okay, for 1 to 10. Okay, after that there is also option number. Option. Okay, question number in the margin. Option also in the margin. I checked it in the toppers papers. So it is better you also follow this one. Okay. Then you write the answer inside. Write the answer inside. Okay. Question number 1. Option number A. Write the answer. Then you have to leave a line. Okay. Please leave a line. You don't write in the next line itself. Please leave a line. Okay. 1. And you go to question number 2. Okay. Maybe option B. And write it here. Write the answer. Then question number 3. Option C most probably. And write. Okay. You know why it has to be done like that? Some students put only the option number. Okay, like A, D, C. It is not allowed. Okay, I get irritated when I see only the options. I don't remember the options when I correct the papers. I only remember the answers. So you have to write the option number and the answer. Option number and the answer for all the 41 mark question. For all the questions based on the reading passage and for the questions based on the extracts, okay, from the prose and from the poem, and you also have got questions based on grammar. For all this you have to follow this one. Okay, now I am going to also tell you in written what I have told you verbally. Okay, so that there is no confusion. Okay, write the in the margin. Okay, then write the along with the option number. Option number example B, A, C. All these in the margin. Okay. Then next point. Leave a line after each answer. Leave a line after each answer. Okay. Please leave a line after each answer. Okay. This is what I have just told you. Okay. These points. Okay. See this. And there should not be any doubt. Okay. You should not afterwards say that, sir, you did not tell me, I was not aware of it. So please follow this one faithfully. Okay. Then when one section is over, section A is over, for example, you draw two lines. Okay. Draw two lines when one section is over. You don't need to draw a line after each answer. You don't need to draw. If there is time, you can do it at the end after completing the examination. When you write the examination during those 3 hours, only in 2 or 3 places you will have to draw the line. Okay, after section A, draw two lines. This is to make sure, this is to indicate that one section is over. After each question, each answer, you don't need to draw a line. Okay, please follow this one very faithfully. Okay, this will help you to improve your presentation skills. Okay, so now that you finish MCQ, okay, question number 1 to 40. Okay, after that you go to section B. Okay, in section B, what do you have? In section B, you have got in part B, part A and part B. Part A, you have got objective type questions. In part B, you have got compositions. Okay, compositions, part B. Compositions and literature. Okay. So in compositions, you have got letter writing, paragraph writing. Okay. So when you write all this, after each answer, suppose you write the letter. After each letter, you can leave a line. Okay. After paragraph also, you can leave a line. This is the way in which I would like you to present the paper. And another main important thing is that when you do the scanning, in suppose you are using the long size notebook, it is advisable to use the exam paper. But some of you or most of you are using the long size notebook. You can use the long size notebook. When you scan, each page should be single. Okay, suppose you have got, suppose you decide to scan the whole page one side to the other side. In the single page, I will not correct. Okay, each page should have only one page. Then only it is easy for me to check and give you feedback. Okay. Then all these things I am telling you because there will be problems, there will be difficulties for you. Okay, you will not understand, or even when I say, you understand it in your own way. That's why. Now,
Sir,
yes, ma'am.
what is the schedule for today's scheme, sir?
What do you mean by schedule, man?
Sir, how many minutes break between the classes? Like that, any schedule is there, sir?
If you want to go for break, you go now and come. I shall tell you after this session is over whether you need break or I need break. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you want to go for break, you go and break whatever you want and come back. Suppose you are so restless, you can go and sleep, no problem.
Okay, sir.
You tell me if you need break, I shall break your head. No problem. Any question with regard to the way in which you have to present the paper? Any question?
Sir, question number outside the margin and that sub question is there, no sir. A, B, C, that is inside only, no sir.
No, that is also you write outside. That also you write outside. Okay.
Oh, that A, B, C also outside, sir.
Outside. Only the answer you write inside.
Okay, sir.
Good question. Anybody else? About letter writing. Letter writing. Okay. It is an important question. 5 marks question. The letter writing is a sure question. Okay. I am going to tell you about the format. Okay. First, let us see what is given in the curriculum about what has to be prepared for the letter. Okay. So please note it down so that suppose I make mistake, you can correct me. Okay. From the writing section, you have got formal letter. Formal letter based on a given situation. 1 out of 2 questions is to be answered. Okay, please note it down. This one. Formal letter. Then it can be based on visuals or verbal clues. Then question number 2, that is also for 5 marks. So 2 5 marks questions you have. Writing an analytical paragraph, 100 to 120 words, based on a given outline or data or chart or cues. 1 out of 2 questions is to be answered. Okay. So now I am going to talk to you about these two. Formal letter and analytical paragraph. Okay, this is what the board has suggested. This is the prescription of the board. You have to be ready for these two for composition. Okay, writing composition. Now let me tell you about letter writing. I repeat this because some students don't follow this. They follow what they have studied long ago in class 6 or class 3. Okay, let us say this is question number. Most probably this is question, letter writing is question number 2. Put it in the margin. Okay. Then write letter. Letter to the editor. If it is letter to the editor, you write like that and underline it. If it is not letter to the editor and letter to the commissioner of police, you write it. Okay, that is only the topic. It's not title, it is the topic. Okay. Then you come to the letter. Okay. You leave a line and start writing after that. First you write the from address. Archana 23 or whatever 33 or 5 best Here, street. Madurai 6. After that, you must leave a line and write the date. You must write the date on which you are writing the examination. Suppose the date is given in the question paper, you can write that date. Suppose the date is not given, you can always write the date on which you are writing the exam. Okay, you are writing the exam. I think tomorrow you are writing the exam. Tomorrow afternoon. Okay, let us write tomorrow's date. 26 November 2020. Okay, after that leave a line. Then write that to address. Editor, the Hindu, Bangalore. Okay. After that you write the salutation. Then subject. You can underline the word subject. Okay. Then you have to write the subject in a single line or in two lines, just in a single line or two lines. For example, in school. For example, okay, this is the subject. Children not bothered to wear mask in school. Okay, it's very clear. The subject is very clear. It should be in a single line. You don't need to write the subject like a paragraph. After that, you leave a line. Leave a line and start writing the first paragraph. Okay. What do you write in the first paragraph? Okay. Paragraph 1. Purpose. You are writing the purpose. Why do you write the purpose of writing the letter? That is what you write in the first paragraph. What is the purpose? I write this letter. This is only a sample. Okay, for example, I am just writing a sample. I write this letter to be in the columns of your newspaper.
Sir, esteemed means what, sir?
Highly respected, highly respectful.
Okay, sir.
This is to bring to the of the and the concerned authorities about the dangers of not wearing mask in the so this is the first paragraph. Okay, the first paragraph should have 50 to maybe 30 to 40 words. Okay, so you have got the purpose very clearly written. Very clearly written. The purpose is very clear here. Then you go to the second paragraph. In the exam, you don't write para 1, para 2, and all don't write. Okay. Some idiots after the examination, sir, you only taught us to write paragraph 1, paragraph 2. You don't write the word paragraph 1 or paragraph 2. This is only for your understanding I am writing. Okay. What do you write in paragraph 2? In paragraph 2, you write the actual problem. Okay. Depiction. That is the second paragraph. Okay. So here you can write in detail after the school started functioning normally. The teachers, including teachers, uh, very careless in masks, etc. So he can write many more points. Many more points can be written. Now I have written just one point. You can write as many points as possible. Okay, but don't write 2-3 pages. You have got word limit. Okay, then you go to paragraph number 3. Paragraph number 3. In paragraph number 3, you are going to write the suggestions. Suggestions and conclusion. So what can be the suggestion? I shall write 1 or 2 suggestions. The school management should fine the students if caught mask and if they do not maintain okay, I have given just 1 or 2 points. Okay, I have no time to tell all the points which I have got in my mind. You have got more points than me, which is only for you to understand. After that, after all these 3 paragraphs, you can write one key line here. Okay, summary line. I hope the will take necessary step to okay, this is the summary line that can be written. After that, you have to write thank you. all left side, all should be written in the left side. Don't write it in the right side or center or anywhere else. Everything at the left side you should write. Thank you. If it is letter to the editor, you can write yours truly. Yours truly. Okay. Then below that you can write the name. Archana. Student class 12. Student or whatever the thing, whatever the designation. Okay. So there is a signature above the name. Signature comes above the name. This is the way in which you have to write the letter. Okay. Most students make mistake here. Most students make mistake here in this place. Okay, you have to write yours correctly. Y, O, U, R, S. There is no apostrophe. Okay, Y, O, U, R, S, and if you put apostrophe, it is wrong. This is correct. Okay, this is the way in which you have to write the formal letter. It is for 5 marks and it is a compulsory question. Any question? Any problem?
Sir, at last we have to put signature of our signature, sir.
You don't need to put your signature, man. It's a fake signature according to the name given in the question paper.
That only, sir. We have to put some signature there, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Any other question? Any doubts? Am I clear?
From to under no need more, sir.
That's a good question. Hemna, many students make this mistake. Don't write the word from. Don't write the word to. Don't write the word date. You don't need write the word. Without writing the word, it is understood that the address which you write first is from, and after that you write the date, and the address that you write after the address, after the date is to address. Okay? Good question. You don't need to also put any comma or full stop or any punctuation. Punctuation is not at all required anywhere. Except in the body of the letter, there are punctuations for comma, full stop, etc. Any other question? Okay, I understand that you don't have any other question. Everything is clear. So after this, now let me tell you also about paragraph writing. These two are compulsory questions, so it is better that we do it now. During the second scheme, I may not do it because you would already have learned it. Many faces are hidden. All the faces are hidden. Thank you, Hemnath. Okay, then you go to question number 3. Question number 3, paragraph writing. Okay, this is the topic. Okay, this is not the title. Topic is paragraph writing. Then you write the title here based on the theme of the question. You have to write the title here at the center. Okay. Maybe the title is uh, cyclone. What is the name of the cyclone that is going to come today?
Ever, sir.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Spell you correct? Okay, anyway. Okay, maybe tomorrow you will get the details about it, or day after tomorrow in the newspaper about the destruction. And based on that, you are writing the paragraph. You can write the paragraph in two paragraphs. Okay, you can make two paragraphs. You have to write 120. So if you want, you can also make it in three paragraphs. Okay. So you start writing from the edge of the margin. On 25 2020.
Sir, cyclone, sir. You written cycle, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, Hemant. Only fellow who is made and who is alert. Thank you very much, man.
Welcome, sir.
So bonus mark for you. Is it correct, Hemant, now?
Sir?
Is it correct now?
Yes, sir.
Thank
Second
you.
line also, sir.
Okay. Thank you, man. So when I make mistake, you don't correct. Then you are not paying attention. You are not listening to me. I wrote cycle. Only one fellow pointed out that I have written it cycle. So thank you very much, Hemnath, once more. So after that, you go to the next paragraph, next line. Okay. Uh, Nivar cyclone hit Tamil Nadu on 25 November 2020 at 12 a.m. and it went on till 7 a.m. etc. Okay. See, what I mean is that you have to start writing from the edge of the margin. Start writing from the edge of the margin. When you start the second paragraph also, you have to start from the edge of the margin. From here itself, you have to start. Was very badly. Killing about 200 standard people. So the first paragraph you start from the edge, second paragraph also you start from the edge of the margin. Okay, so you can write in this way three paragraphs. Almost at the most you can write three paragraphs. In each paragraph you can write 40 to 50 words. 40 to 50 words you can write in each paragraph. So altogether you have got write only 120 words. So this is what I want to tell you now about what has to be practiced for composition. Okay, letter writing and paragraph writing. Any question, any doubt with regard to these things? Letter writing and paragraph writing. I will also give you practice question.
3 paragraph only, sir.
At the most 3 paragraph.
Okay, sir.
Any other question? Okay, so in that case, I am going to post 2 questions. Okay, 2 practice questions. Okay, these practice questions have to be written now. Now you have to write. I give you time till 4 o'clock. Till 4 o'clock you have got time. Okay, all of you have to finish up. If you finish up in 10 minutes, you can post it to me to the mail address. I will correct and give you the feedback there and then. In the meanwhile, if you have finished, suppose you have finished your writing of the answer of the letter and the paragraph in 10 minutes, you have no idea what to do. Don't worry, I will post some worksheets for grammar and reading skills. You can do